Hi, this is Matt from Bored at Work, and I'm showing you this here wireless all-in-one keyboard. It's the TK820 from Logitech. Comes with this unifying receiver, USB dongle. This will support up to 6 devices, 6 Logitech devices. Installation is super quick. Done. And let's take a look at this keyboard here. Awfully thin, very thin. But not flimsy. It doesn't twist very easily. It doesn't feel like it's going to break when you're typing on it. Low profile keys, similar to the laptop. It's got the function key down here, just like on your laptop. Across the top, all these function keys. You'll notice to actually hit like F5 for refresh, you have to hit the function key, because the main function of that key is the Windows 8 settings. F3 is the Windows 8 share, and so on. So turning this on, super quick. Actually, before I turn it on, I'd like to show you the back. No legs, which is kind of a bummer because I like to kick the legs out and get a little bit of an incline on my keyboard, but I'm out of luck there. Right back here is where the batteries go, 4 AA's that actually come with it, which is pretty cool. So turn it on, and it's immediately active. You can swipe in from the top there on this gigantic touchpad. You can swipe in from the left. That'll bring you to your last active app. Doesn't type too loudly. We can swipe in from the right, bring up the charm bar. We can scroll with 2 fingers. I said we can scroll with 2 fingers. Every now and then the gestures aren't quite there. Sometimes it'll miss. You'll go to scroll in from the side to flip back to your last active app. Every now and then it'll kind of miss it, and you'll just have to go back and do it again. Not such a big deal. This touchpad here, you may have heard as I was poking at it earlier, it's not just a touchpad, but it's actually a button too. So you can actually click on things just by tapping. But if you don't feel like picking your finger up, it is actually a button. 1 finger push down, that's a left click. 2 fingers is a right click. Or a right click if you go right down here. It'll bring up the right click menu there. All in all, pretty good keyboard. I do miss the number pad. I find myself going to hit the enter key and right clicking all the time. But you know, in an environment where maybe you don't have a lot of stuff on, maybe you don't have a lot of room on the desk, you know, you don't feel like taking up room with a mouse, perfect. Also, being as thin as it is, slide right into your bag with your tablet. Not a bad thing to have with you when you're sitting at the station or something like that, and you just feel like goofing around on the tablet. You want to type quick, you don't feel like pulling out your mouse, something like that. The keyboard will run you about $100. Again, this is Matt with Bored at Work. Enjoy your